It's a text from Damon. Hey, do you want to go on a real date tomorrow? Or whenever? A date?
Sommer, I am so glad to see you. We need to talk.
Not now, Nigel. This is not a good time.
Sommer, it is important.
A ring? Seriously? You have got to be kidding me. Really, Nigel? A proposal?
But Sommer...
We broke up. What kind of sense would it make to get married?
Sommer, let me explain.
No, Nigel. I know it's difficult, but you're just gonna have to move on. Maybe we just weren't meant to be.
Oh, I know.
You will smile again because time heals all wounds. Wait, what? Just like that, and you're already over it, huh?
Sorry if my intentions were not clear. I am not here to propose to you.
Oh, well then, why are you walking around with a, what is that, 3.2 carat diamond engagement ring?
Because I wanted you to hear this from me first. I am engaged. I am getting married.
Oh, okay. Is it getting dark out here? Or is it just me?
Sommer!
Excuse me, Professor? Do you have a minute?
Sure. Come on in.
I'm just here to inquire about my grade, like why it's not an A.
Oh, okay. So you think you deserve an A?
Yes, I followed the rubric to a T. I did everything that was required.
And that's the problem. Cali, I know you. You've gotten straight A's your whole life, right? You're used to being at the top of your class. You probably excel at some niche sport, am I right?
Horseback riding, yes, but I don't see how that's a bad thing.
You're not being challenged. Everything comes easy to you. And I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't force you out of your comfort zone.
Am I being punished for being a good student?
No, you're not being punished, but you are being pushed. I need to see something new from you. Make me feel something from your work. I will give you until the end of the week to redo your assignment for that A.
On top of my finals?
Good luck.
Aww, I can't believe I fainted. And right in front of Nigel.
You fainted? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just wasn't prepared for Nigel's big announcement.
What was it?
He is engaged.
What? He's getting married? To who?
I don't know. I fainted. You don't think it's Alex, do you? That would be a dream come true for her and a life sentence for him.
He would be broke within a year.
Oh man, that's messed up. I almost hope it is Alex, because that would completely cure me of any feelings that may be lingering. I mean, seriously, if he's still thinking about her, we were never going to work out.
Are you still thinking about him?
Changing the subject, how is everything with you, Cali?
Well, my professor is adding undue stress to my plate during finals week, saying that I need to think outside the box and stuff. Can you believe that? And now I have to redo my already perfect assignment. All this extra work, and for what?
Yeah, that's crazy. Do you think Nigel actually did propose to Alex?
Summer, I thought we were talking about me.
Sorry, I'm being a terrible sister. Okay, I'm listening now. What were you saying? Something about a box?
Never mind. I need a break from this assignment anyways. You want to go catch a yoga class?
Yes, sounds perfect. Let me change. Oh wow, class is pretty packed today.
Yeah, looks like everyone had the same idea. Yoga study break.
Oh look, it's Alex. You think I should ask if Nigel proposed?
No, I think we should focus on yoga.
Who is she talking to?
I don't know, I've never seen her before. Summer, you're obsessing. Forget about Alex. Let's do yoga, that's why we're here.
Yeah, you're right. but I'm gonna go introduce myself.
Of course you are.
Hi, I am nobody. Gosh, get out of here. Hi, like I was saying, my name is Summer. Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved here from New Doll City. The name's Octavia. Nice to meet you.
Octavia, don't feel pressured to converse with the commoners. If we ignore her, she'll go away. Hey, Alex, I think I just saw you-know-who outside. Excuse me, I'll be right back.
Wow, I can't believe that worked. Oh, that's awful. There's no one outside, is there?
There might be, but in any case, she'll get a little vitamin D. It's good for her.
Oh, so what's there to do in this town?
Let's see. Shopping, yoga, more shopping,
In between studying for classes? Sounds like my kind of place. Come on, let's grab a mat.
All right, class. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Clear your mind. I feel so in tune with my energy right now. Yeah, me too.
I can't with you two. I'm gonna go work on my project. I got a lot of work to do.
Shh, sorry. Oh no! No! Cell phones! This is a quiet place! Sorry, it'll just be a moment. Oh, it's from Damon.
Oh, you're smiling. Who's Damon?
Just a friend who asked me out on a date.
And are we like yay or are we like nay?
I don't know. I just got out of a relationship. I don't know if I'm ready to start a new one.
Playing it safe. I get that. But just make sure your past relationship doesn't ruin your future one.
You're right. Great advice.
I know. You're welcome.
Okay, now what should I say? Nigel! Damon, have you seen Nigel?
Sorry, no.
Yoo-hoo! Nigel! What you doing?
Oh, hi Jazz.
Nice weather we're having today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, how are your classes going?
Good. It's finals week, so we're almost done.
Oh, and if you ever need a study partner, you could give me a call.
Thanks, Jazz. I'll keep that in mind.
And if you're not doing anything right now, we could go to Star Frogs and get a coffee and catch up.
Yes!
Really?
No. Sorry, Jazz. I got plans.
Oh, okay then. Maybe next time. I just know that text was from Summer. Nigel. Yoo-hoo! So, Dargo, I did it. I agreed to go out on a date with Damon. And so far, no regrets. Nice, Damon is. Hurt Damon, you will. Why would you say that? I have no intentions on hurting anyone. Over your ex, you are not. Yes, I am. For the most part, I think. No. Yeah, I'm sure. And look, if he can move on, so can I. And what do you know anyway? You think you're some kind of relationship expert or something? More than you. 60 years old, I am. Yes, ma'am. Dargo, that's the FBI agent. Duck down and be quiet.
Trust me, all the data is pointing to this town.
I know there is an extraterrestrial presence here. And that's our cue to go the other direction. I'm part alien and who knows what Dargo is. I need a place to hide. Ooh, the record store. Let's go in there. Does anyone even buy records anymore? Yes, niche community it is.
Good job, Cali. You got an A.
Thanks. And I better get going. I got another final in 30 minutes.
Before you go, I would like to feature your work in a student showcase. There's a gallery and a gala this summer showing off the best and brightest, and I want you to be my intern, my assistant for this project. What do you say?
Yes, thank you, Professor. I feel so honored.
You deserved it.
No, I can't find the one I'm looking for. Would you be a dear and see if they've got any more in the back? Thank you. Summer, over here. Hey, Octavia. I wasn't expecting to see you in here. I'm just out with my fiance doing a little shopping. And you were right, the shopping here is amazing. You know, there is this woman here who will make whatever you want. She's like some kind of crafter. It's fabulous. You're engaged? Wow, congratulations. Your ring is beautiful. I think I've seen one similar recently. Yeah, it's kind of traditional, but then again, so is this engagement. So who's the lucky person? Oh, he's right over there. Nigel, I would like you to meet my friend Summer. We met at yoga class. And Summer, this is my fiance, Nigel.
Hello. Summer, was it? It is very nice to meet you.
Wait, what? To be continued on the next Sommer in Cali. All right, people, it's the first day of filming. Who's ready to do this? We have a strict schedule, so let's be on time today. I'm ready for my first scene. Wait, Summer, you're supposed to have like this brown bag. Go back to wardrobe. Oh yeah, that's right. I lost it. What? Okay. Someone give me that drop cloth over there, some duct tape, and hot glue. Okay, not my best work, but maybe nobody will notice. It's not even faux leather. What is this? Cotton? And action! Wait, what was my line again? Is it getting dark out here? Or is it just me? Ow! I missed the mattress.
Nice Damon is. Her Damon you will.
I do not plan or... Sorry, what's the line? Cut! Let's reset.
Hey, what's a little green guy gotta do to get a cup of coffee around here?
You don't think it's Alex, do you? Sorry, what's the line? Start laughing hysterically. Start laughing hysterically. Cut. No, I meant to actually laugh. Oh!